So hi guys, how are you doing? Today I decided to visit Karim's office, but I am impressed. Like, the place is so beautiful.
Wow.
I didn't know the names of these countries, but at least today I've learned something, Karim.
Oh, wow, thank you so much.
I am so impressed.
Wow,
So you guys, in case you want anything to do with visas, clearance and everything, you're traveling, even if you're with your family, you guys, Karim is here to sort you. Like me, I'm so impressed.
Thank you so much.
How are you, Karim?
I'm good, how are you?
Long time.
Long time too.
Please tell these guys like the things you do.
Alright guys, as you said, my name is Karim and I'm running this office. It's called Karim Advisory Services. We are in Kampala, in town next to Urua Park Plaza. If you want to go to Dubai, we process your visit visas and freelance visas for Dubai. And if your family is in Dubai and your husband or your wife, they also get spouse visas if you want to take your kids. So all types of visas for Dubai. Just to be clear, we don't do jobs, we don't connect people with jobs. Anybody who wants to come, you're welcome to the office. And thank you for appreciating the office.
This place is so big. To be honest, I need to know the names of these places.
Hey, much Vanessa. Thank you so much for coming by. I follow my tech. She's actually my track mate from Gulu.
He's my brother.
Yes, exactly.
So, I think I can watch in came visa, came here national ID ni teacher Dubai. Jomagi teacher Dubai kati, Jomagi teacher Dubai kati, Jomini in anyway. He's a very trustworthy person. Ma atwa maki akere chinyamano. I am confident. Man he will clear everything for you. Yes, at a very good cost. You don't need to look. You guys, like, why not support our Karim? I mean our Nye Kimara by the way, me and Yin Kimara, Piani and Mara. Go and have fun. Take it to a mama, me docateri, vacation, December or Elba, who build clearing. Otherwise, have a nice time and we shall see you next time.
So, my attack and I'm my people.